Let him exercise his rights somewhere else.
Yeah, because you're not an American. That's why you're saying stupid shit. You're saying dumb things.
Okay.
This is America. This is where I exercise my rights, dude.
Very good.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. All right.
I don't need a crybaby like you to tell me what to do. I got something up my sleeve for that guy. If he tries it, not gonna go well. Nobody's antagonizing. You don't even know what's going on. I got something up my sleeve for that guy. If he tries it, not gonna go well. So this one was there barking. Looks like she's a troublemaker. It's definitely a Karen. One Karen, two Karens. Two Karens in one place. Right there. And then we got a third Karen. Right there. This one is the last one. Another one. Right there. Meters. Stacks of 100 bills. Woo! See it? A big old stack. 10 to. Okay? Look at all these nasty people on the street with no mask. Disgusting. These people have no mask. They're disgusting. That's disgusting. I'm showing you the reality right here. These people are nasty. No mask. Look. No mask. Nasty as hell.